Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's MAKIA Forex, and today we are back with our GBPJPY analysis. So yesterday we gave a good trade on GBPJPY and it came to our entry and went all the way to our take profit target. So for those who are in my group on Telegram, you probably have seen this trade which I sent to you guys on Telegram. We made up to 160 pips just trading GBPJPY. I also gave other signals in the group. That's for those in my premium group. We gave a signal on US 30, that's Dow Jones. It hit 690 pips. It went all the way to our take profit. That's on one trade, 690 pips in just 2 days. That is crazy. Then we also had a trade on Bitcoin that went all the way to 300 pips. So we are back to GBPJPY. So where is my target? Now this is a clean chart on the 1 hour time frame. I told you guys that we had two main zones of interest, this zone over here and this other zone over here, which I drew. And you know that price moved from one zone to the other zones. That's what price always does every single day. It moves from one zone to the next zone. So it means that price is trying to tap this particular zone, which is another zone of interest, and we have to watch to see if price will break past this particular zone. If price breaks past this particular resistance up here, it means that GBPJPY will keep its bullish trend. If you look at the high time frame analysis, we are still bullish on GBPJPY. I told you guys that what we just left a double bottom formation and now we are back in an uptrend. That's why I kept giving buy trades on GBPJPY and I've not taken any sell trade on GBPJPY because we are still looking for price to get to this particular zone, if you know what I mean. So now my focus is on how price will react at this particular zone, because when it came there previously, it reacted by price forming an order block, that is a bearish order block, and price sold to the downside. Then on Monday it went and tested by that particular order block before selling back to the downside. Then we took a trade on Monday buying the pullback, if you know what I mean. So price has to go to this particular order block again. Then if it breaks the order block strongly, I can now hope that GBPJPY will just keep going back to the bullish direction. So my take profit is mainly this particular area. For those in my group, I already gave the signal. I won't talk about it anymore. For those in my group on Telegram, I already gave the signal on GBPJPY. So that's my main take profit. All my trades are already in profits. I'm just being patient. Most of my trades I've already break even the trades. I've put my stop loss above entry. So I'm just waiting to see how price will react today and get to my TP target. That's this afternoon, hopefully. If we have to look at the daily time frame perspective, we are seeing that what we still have a lot of way to go. You can see that what we are looking at this area as our main zone to keep our eye on. So we are still actually in a good direction. That's why I said that once we saw this double bottom formation, or what you call a W pattern formation forming in the daily time frame here, it was clear and clear that GBPJPY was going to keep going back to the bullish direction. So this is the main area to look at in the higher time frame perspective. As you can clearly see, we have an order block formation over here. That is the bearish order block formation over here. Then what happened? Price went and tapped that order block again before it formed an M pattern formation, or what you call a double top. Then we had a sell side to the downside. Okay, then we have another sell to the downside. Then the price entered liquidity before price goes and form another order block. Then we have a bullish trend, if you know what that means. So I'm really seeing that when it comes to GBPJPY, the double top formation and double bottom are very effective, if you know what I mean. So I'm looking at it as a very, very good buy long term. Hopefully that when it gets to this particular area, we're going to see price action over here. Then we can use our smart money concepts or ICT concepts to take another trade, maybe to the downside, because I'm looking this area as a strong area to sell GBPJPY. But that will be, let's say, next week, maybe next week, or let's say before this week goes to an end. So to put everything together, GBPJPY is still bullish long term, and we are hoping that as the days goes by, we are going to keep cashing out on GBPJPY, if you know what I mean. So with that said, don't forget to hit that like button. If you're new, subscribe, and don't forget to join our group on Telegram. Also, I'll leave the links to my recommended broker and prop firm for those who want to get funded and those who want to trade Forex with us. With that said, thanks for watching. Bye.